Have you ever wondered how life-saving drugs make it to the market? Did you know the global pharmaceutical market is projected to hit $1.57 trillion by 2025? Now, with demand for regulatory affairs specialists rising by 30% over the past 5 years, there's never been a better time to dive into this field. As a regulatory affairs professionals, you will be at the forefront of ensuring that safe and effective therapies reach patients quickly. Imagine tackling regulatory challenges and driving innovations every day. Hi, I'm Monica Sharma, founder of MS BioAcademy. I created this course to help you understand the intricate details of pharmaceutical regulations and empower you in your career. Whether you are starting out or looking to advance, this course covers everything from regulatory frameworks to effective submission strategies. So, are you ready to take the next step in your career? So just click the link below to learn more about our course and discover how you can make a meaningful impact in pharma regulatory affairs.